Good morning, my word nerds. Gonna try this again because the first one froze up on me. God knows why stupid stuff happens. All right. So good morning, smartphone. Good morning, Deborah. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. Welcome to the terrific Tuesday edition of Word of the Day. My name is Christine. I am a member of the Perry Girls, and each and every weekday morning I bring you a new and amazing word of the day for you to add to your vocabulary so that you can sound smarticles. Hello, Darcy. Yes, this is take two. We're going to try this again. All right, so we're going to do a legal word today. I was raised by a lawyer. My daddy is a lawyer. All right, so let's just get that out of the way. Yes, my dad's a lawyer. Everybody thinks he's mean and cruel and blah, 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 blah. He's a real estate attorney, you guys. All right, doesn't do criminal law. He doesn't do family law. He doesn't do any of that stuff that you see that's all fancy-fied on TV. That's not my dad. He is pretty smart, but he's a real estate attorney, okay? So he's not one of those ambulance chaser kind of guys. All right, so we've established my dad's a good guy. Subpoena is today's word of the day. Subpoena. Now, subpoena, a lot like subscribers, is being pronounced differently than it's written. Have you ever watched a YouTuber and heard them say, subscribe? Please subscribe. It's driving me crazy. It's subscribe, right? Subscribers, not subscribe, but whatever. So subpoena is S-U-B, subpoena, P-O-E-N-A. Why is the O silent? I don't know. But to break it down, it's sub, S-U-B, Poe, like Edgar Allan Poe, P-O-E, and then N-A. Subpoena. So I'm not quite sure why it's not subpoena. Maybe it was subpoena, and we've just dropped the poena and turned it into pena. I don't know. I don't know where the evolution of that word went. But that is how you spell it. S-U-B-P-O-E-N-A, subpoena. And I think we pretty much all know what a subpoena is. But what I want to talk about really, really quickly is the difference between a subpoena and a summons. So a subpoena is a written order to appear in a low court. So if you don't want to testify for your friend, the court can subpoena you to come and talk about the accident they were in, or their divorce hearing, or their child custody hearing, or whatever. You can get subpoenaed to appear in a low court. A summons is a written document that you receive from the courts letting you know that you are being sued. So that's the difference. A summons is a document from the court letting you know that there is legal activity that you are involved in. A subpoena is an order to appear. So it's not a notification that you're being sued or that your thing got filed or whatever. That's a summons. You're being summoned to the court. A subpoena is being subpoenaed to the court. You're also being summoned to the court, but it's different. A summons and a subpoena are different things, okay? So I just kind of wanted to put that out there because I think there's a lot of confusion and a lot of people just think that they mean the same thing, because I think in a lot of circles they kind of do, but those are uneducated circles. So I want you guys to be smarticles, so I thought I would share with you subpoena, S-U-B-P-O-E-N-A, a written order to appear in a low court, which is different than a summons, which is a written notification from the court that you are being sued. Okay? So, subpoena is your word of the day today. I would say use it, but, you may not. But at least know that it's there. And you could just bring it up with somebody and say, hey, do you know the difference between a subpoena and a summons? And then guess who's going to sound all smarticles? You are. All right, you guys. So, subpoena, have fun with that one. Use it, don't abuse it. Be good to yourselves. Be good to one another. Know that I love you all. And I'll see you back here again tomorrow morning for the wonderful Wednesday edition of Christine's Word of the Day. You feel smart already. Good. Yay. I'm so glad that I could help you with that, Deborah. So come back tomorrow and we'll do it again. All right. If you guys have any suggestions for words for Word of the Day, please feel free to DM them to me either on Twitter or on Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook. I'm really easy to find. All right. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions. All right. Until then, I will see you tomorrow. Mwah. Bye now.